1. Bend the frames in the center to tighten or loosen the glasses. To get a more snug fit, hold the glasses with the lenses pointing away from you and place both thumbs in the center of the nosepiece. Pull the edges of the frames toward you to bend them inward slightly. Relaxing them is just as simple. This time, just hold them so that the frames are facing you. Remember to shape your glasses a little by little, whether they're made from plastic or metal. Getting impatient could end up costing you the price of a brand new pair of glasses. Creating more of an inward curve can be especially useful for inexpensive plastic frames, which have a tendency to loosen up over time. 2. Rotate the eyepieces in opposite directions to straighten the glasses. If the lenses themselves are out of whack, twist them gingerly around the nosepiece until they sit flush against your face. This may take a few attempts to get just right. Continue modifying and trying on your glasses until they return to alignment. The nosepiece is the weakest point on any pair of glasses, so be careful not to put too much tension on the center of the frames. Once the eyepieces are straight, flex the frames inward or outward to find a fit that feels good. 3. Straighten the arms of plastic glasses to reduce irritation. When you're tired of having the backs of your ears rubbed raw, try warming the offending frames with a hot water bath or hairdryer and pressing against the part of the earpiece that rests against your temples with your forefinger. A mild curve will allow the arms to follow the natural contours of your face. Move slowly down the length of arms to the ends a few millimeters at a time, coaxing them into their new shape. Your glasses may move around a little more after you've straightened out the arms. 4. Curve the earpieces for a more secure fit. To deal with glasses that are constantly sliding down your face, smooth ends of the arms downward so that they hook behind your ears. Focus most of your effort on the area where they begin to curve. Accentuating the angle of the earpieces will help make sure that your specs stay put while you're reading, looking around, or being active. It may not be possible to reshape the arms of some metal frames, which often feature plastic-coated earpieces.